Hi, my name's Whitney, and I am a very happy customer of 5 Points Roofing. Doug Price came out and worked with us to pick the shingles and get the process going. We'd had some minor wind damage, or it turned out to be a little more than minor. And he came out and helped us pick what we wanted and talked us through our options. Was an excellent salesperson and quite patient with us picking the tiles that we wanted. We had a problem with our insurance company, which shouldn't come to a surprise to a lot of people, but they only wanted to give us 2/3 a roof, and we have more than 2/3 of a house. So we went back to the insurance company, and at that point, 5 Points lent us Jordan Murray, who did an outstanding job working with the insurance company for us, got us a kind of a reappraisal, and we fought them for a while, and eventually the insurance company just said enough is enough and wrote us a check for the entire deal. We're very pleased with that end of it, and they came out in a day, did a fantastic job, cleaned everything up. You wouldn't know that they were here other than the fact that we have a brand spanking new roof, and we really like it and have had no problems with it and don't expect any.